So we are in the last of the concept areas, which is digital literacy. Again, this is something that can very well be covered in your health class and definitely has a place in your PE class anytime that you touch technology. As we're talking about digital use, we're talking about just using different technologies to communicate, collaborate, and organize data and such. And then as we get into digital citizenship, we're thinking about how we can make sure that we're engaging respectfully online and using our online platforms in a positive way. We are going to look down at the last of the organization. You'll note that 5 of them are in digital use. So, really, here we're focusing a lot on using technology and understanding how to transfer those skills from one tech tool to another. And then there are 2 for digital citizenship, where we're really looking at how we can make sure we're showcasing ourselves in the best light. I'm going to scroll down to page 35 of the PDF. We're going to look at those first 2 for digital use. The first one is keyboarding, probably something that's going to be covered in a different classroom, but that doesn't mean if you're not having your students doing something on a computer where they're typing, that you can't remind them to make sure that they're working on their speed and accuracy. As we move into the second one for digital literacy 2, we're talking about communicating your work through digital tools. So maybe it's making a presentation about something you're studying. It could be creating some sort of digital portfolio of the work that they've done, or making information about their time in sports or something along those lines. As we move on from digital use, we're talking about using search. And this is definitely something you might do during a research project in your health class, where you're thinking about how you can evaluate those search tools and look at the results that you've received to see if they're valid and accurate and so on. As we move into the last one for digital use, we're talking about actually using tools. So anytime you have the students create digital artifacts of something, you are really hitting the standard. The last 2, you'll note that they start at further up the line as far as grade bands go. The last one here for digital use is looking at different digital technologies and thinking about how you can transfer from one to another. So let's say they've used a Fitbit, now they're going to use their Apple Watch. Or they might have created something in Book Creator, and now they're going to create something in Google Slides or something along those lines. You could also take a look at emerging technologies. So this is definitely something that could be covered in health class, to think about the future of AI and how it's going to impact health. Elon Musk just got approval to do a digital implant that may help people walk again that have lost the ability to walk. So those are things that you can talk about and discuss when you're talking about transferring that knowledge to new technology or emerging technologies. And then the final one really ties nicely into that cybersecurity ones that we were talking about earlier, where we're thinking about our online presence, how we can keep ourselves safe, how we can make sure that we're showcasing ourselves in the right light, and that we're protecting our information so that we're making sure that we're safe and that we're also helping with the safety of others.